Good morning. Quack, quack, quack. Welcome to Story Time with Miss Marie. Quack, quack, quack. I have got some great books for you about farm and farm animals. I hope you've been watching our videos. We're having a lot of fun here. We're here Monday through Friday and on Saturday. Come down and see us, get some books, sign up for summer library program at warren.beanstack.org. Come down and get your craft packets. We're just having a wonderful time here at the library. Today, I have a book. It is Old MacDonald, and I sang Old MacDonald last time, but this one's a little bit different. So let's see what this Old MacDonald has. I want you to take a good look now. There's a farmer, Old MacDonald, and his, I guess it's Mrs. MacDonald. It's by Stephen Goetz. And it is a, Chronicle Books publisher. I should have looked first. Old MacDonald had a truck. Do you have a truck? I can't imagine having a farm without a truck. There is a red truck. Can you see that, boys and girls? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Check it out. Look what all those animals are doing. Do you see animals in hard hats? The goat's got a hard hat. And they've got on safety vests. You see that hat? And you see that right there? Can you see that, boys and girls? You need to pay attention to the pictures. And on that farm, he had an excavator. E-I-E-I-O, with a dig, dig here and a dig, dig there. Here a dig, there a dig, everywhere a dig, dig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a front loader. E-I-E-I-O, with a scoop, scoop here and a scoop, scoop there. Here a scoop, there a scoop, everywhere a scoop, scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look, they're running away. Wah! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dump truck. E-I-E-I-O, and it says, uh-oh. Look. With a dump thump here and a dump thump there, here a dump, there a thump, everywhere a dump thump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Boys and girls, look! They're all having lunch and pizza. Oh my goodness, is that? No, that's not popcorn. The cat's eating fish. Do you see the fish bones? Goodness gracious. Huh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a steamroller, E-I-E-I-O, with a squish smash here and a squish smash there. Here a squish, there a smash, everywhere a squish smash. E-I-E-I-O. The fox is driving the steamroller. Oh my goodness. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cement mixer, E-I-E-I-O, with a spin whirl here and a spin whirl there. Here spin, there whirl, everywhere spin whirl. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. They're dumping cement on the farm. Did you see this back here, boys and girls? What does that look like? Doesn't look like a farm to me. There's some bleachers and there's some ramps. Looks like a racetrack to me. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There's Mrs. MacDonald with her goggles, and they're in the bleachers with the popcorn. And on that farm, he had a truck. Whee! E-I-E-I-O. That is quite a truck on that farm. And after all of that, they went back home. E-I-E-I-O. Isn't that great? Who would have thought? A racetrack. Or maybe it's a jumping track. I know there's words for those things, and I'll bet you know what they are. But we've got another book we've got to get done today. Oh my goodness, this is Judy Henley's Do Like a Duck Does. Do Like a Duck Does. Yes, indeed. Candlewick Press. We've gotten lots of theirs. You see the fox? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducklings following their mother. Whatever any duck does, so does every other. I need to move it this way. Move. Oh, me. Okay. I can move. There. That better? All right. Every duck. So they waddle and they hop and they scuttle and they stop. Flop, 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 flop. All together. Quack, says Mama Duck. That's the way to be. Do like a duck does. Do like me. Quack, quack. There go the ducklings, all in a line. But who's creeping, following behind? Wait, says Mama. You don't belong with us. Stop, says Mama. Do you think you're a duck? They're hiding under her and behind her. And that one's jumping up to see what's going on over there. What is that? A fox. But of course, says the stranger with a waddle and a strut. That's just what I am. A big brown duck. Well, he had no feathers and no beak. He had claws and hairy, scary feet. He had 2 ears that stuck up a mile and a wicked, foxy nose and a wicked, foxy smile. You see this one hiding behind the mama? So Mama says, well, then do like us. Head up, tail up, toes pointing up. Stretch your little wings, dear. Straighten up your back. Do like a duck does. Quack, quack, quack. It's getting a worm. And then Mama leads them off together. Hup, hup, hup. 5 little ducklings and a big brown duck. A hairy, scary stranger. A very silly duck. Now, I don't know if you can tell it from the picture, but that mama bird duck has got a look on her face like, you better be doing what I tell you to. There's a rooster. Look, says Mama, what a lovely patch of muck. Jump in the puddle, dear. Show you're a duck. Lots of bugs and beetles swimming in the scum. Open up your beak, dear. Yum, yum, yum. He's trying. Ugh. Now, the very hairy stranger had some notions of his own, and he's looking at the ducklings when he says yum, yum, and he's creeping ever closer, and he's very, very near. Look who's watching. Ooh, look at that look on her face. Mama turns and catches him and says, "Look here, you don't like bugs, you don't like muck, you can't say quack. Are you sure you're a duck?" "Oh, yes, I am," says the stranger. "It's really, really true. I can waddle, I can scuttle, I can strut a little too. I'm a duck, I'm a duck, I'm a duck like you." So Mama says, "Show it. Prove you're a duck. Do like a duck does. Do like us." And they zip through the thistles and slip into the river. Plop, 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 plop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Mama Duck. All together. Kersplash. Down go the ducklings, tails all up, and down goes the stranger. Glub, glub, glub. Oops. So where are all the ducklings now? Here they all come. Pop, 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 pop. Everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But where's the stranger? Where's the very hairy, scary stranger? Gone home. "Well," says Mama, "what a bit of luck. But I really always knew that was no duck." And there he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quack, quack. That was a smart Mama Duck, wasn't it? How about that? Oh my goodness. Such good books we have. And I hope you've enjoyed this. We are here and we are looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Come and see us. Talk to you soon. Quack, quack, quack.